Is your bank actually costing you money? Let's crack open EQ Bank. Ever get that sinking feeling after checking your bank statement? You know, that feeling where a mysterious chunk of money seems to have vanished? Bank fees can be sneaky little devils, hiding in monthly maintenance charges, ATM withdrawals, and even foreign transaction fees. But what if there was a bank that didn't play that game? A bank that offered all the perks without the hidden costs? That's the promise of EQ Bank, an online bank shaking things up in Canada. But with a name like EQ, which sounds more like a futuristic energy source than a financial institution, is it all too good to be true? Can a bank really be completely free? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into EQ Bank to find out if it's the key to unlocking your financial freedom or just another gimmick. First things first, let's talk about the big kahuna, fees. EQ Bank boasts a refreshing lack of them. No monthly account fees? Check. Minimum balance requirements to avoid getting nickeled and dimed? Nope, not here. Even Interac e-transfers, those lifesavers for sending rent money to your roommate, are completely free and unlimited. Feeling the excitement yet? Hold on, it gets better. We all know the struggle of that ATM fee popping up after a night out. Well, EQ Bank reimburses you for those pesky ATM fees within Canada, essentially making withdrawals free. International ATM withdrawals are a different story, but hey, free withdrawals anywhere in Canada is a pretty sweet deal. Now, let's talk about the real reason you opened your bank account, making money, not losing it. EQ Bank offers a high-interest savings account, currently boasting a rate that puts traditional banks to shame. This means your hard-earned cash is actually growing instead of sitting there collecting dust. They also offer GICs, or Guaranteed Investment Certificates, for those looking to lock in a specific interest rate over a set period. But what about the features you'd expect from a regular bank account? Don't worry, EQ Bank hasn't forgotten the essentials. You get unlimited bill payments, so say goodbye to the stress of writing checks or remembering logins for various bill providers. They also offer unlimited Interac e-transfers, perfect for splitting bills with friends or sending a quick gift to family. Now, some of you might be wondering, there's gotta be a catch, right? Well, as with any financial decision, there are a few things to keep in mind. EQ Bank is an online bank, which means there are no physical branches. So, if you're someone who prefers the face-to-face interaction of a traditional bank, EQ Bank might not be the best fit. Additionally, some features you might find at a traditional bank, like safety deposit boxes or cashier's checks, aren't available at EQ Bank. However, for the tech-savvy crowd who are comfortable managing their finances online, EQ Bank offers a compelling alternative. The combination of high interest rates, zero fees, and convenient features makes it a very attractive option. So, is EQ Bank free? In the most literal sense, no bank account is truly free because there are always underlying costs. However, EQ Bank comes darn close. They've eliminated the most common fees that plague traditional bank accounts, leaving you with more money in your pocket to grow your savings or splurge on that dream vacation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.